And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
You know, Thursday afternoon, there'll be a lot of you that go outside and say, the weather guy's full of it. I mean, it's raining, maybe sleeting a little bit. There's not a lot of wind. What's this inclement weather he's talking about? It will really go downhill after about 7 o'clock Thursday evening. That's when it really cranks up and things get pretty nasty. For Thursday itself, it's really not that bad. We've got some showers coming in, mixing with a little snow sleet, but temperatures will be rising into the mid to upper 30s. But it is Thursday night when things get really rough. The worst conditions are Friday night, and then we're going to have issues right to Sunday p.m. So snow, gusts more than 50 miles an hour. We may have about 66 hours of wind chills that are at least 20 below zero. And then we watch blowing and drifting continuing into Sunday. But keep in mind, the worst of the conditions are Friday night. And underneath the snow, there's going to be a layer of ice because any of that rain or mix Thursday will freeze like that as the Arctic air rolls in. So it's going to be a flash freeze Thursday evening. But it's tranquil again tonight, tomorrow, Wednesday. A lot of cloudiness, a little sun at times. Later tonight, early tomorrow morning, and perhaps later tomorrow night, early Wednesday morning, you may notice a couple flurries or a couple light snow showers with no accumulation. Thursday, though, here comes actually some rain and a little sleet mixed in, and perhaps a few flakes. Temperatures will be in the 30s, of course. Winds out of a southerly direction, but then here comes the Arctic front. And once this goes through, temperatures tank, the winds really crank up, and rapidly we get the flash freeze, and then we get the snow on top of that layer of ice. And snow will wrap in on Friday as the storm deepens rapidly over northeast Indiana, and still snow even right into Friday evening. Now, there still may be a few snow showers Saturday, but it's mainly just blowing and drifting snow and brutal cold on Saturday. We won't have as much falling snow per se. The real cusp of the blizzard conditions would be Friday night. But we're still going to have some blowing and drifting snow Sunday, even with the sun coming out. We really don't get rid of the blowing and drifting until Sunday evening, Sunday night. The problem is the blowing and drifting returns on Monday, and we may have this clipper. If it tracks a little farther north, we may get a few inches of snow on Monday and a good deal of wind as well. But it's after Monday and Tuesday, we warm back up and things will start to melt towards the latter part of next week. So all that said, here's the snow, very large area of snow over the eastern U.S. as far south as Alabama and Georgia. I'm going for a few to several inches of snow. I can't have exact numbers just yet until I get more data and feel more confident about putting out exact numbers. Thursday evening, notice the wind gusts, 6:30. Then look what happens. The wind cranks up rapidly. We're getting gusts 40 to 50 Thursday night. Here's Friday. Look at these gusts, 53, 50, gusts exceeding 50 throughout the day and right into Friday night. This is Friday evening, for example, gusts more than 50 at times, and a lot of wind on Saturday. And even on Sunday, there's a decent amount of wind. So the wind chills will be low for an extended period of time. Watch the wind chills. Look at that. They go from 30s to single digits Thursday evening. And look, Friday night, wind chills, some places will be more than 25, 30 below zero. So this is a long duration, highly impactful winter storm. 36 on Thursday, down to 2 Thursday night, 8 Friday, 4 below Friday night, 4 on Saturday, 7 on Sunday. We are 11 below zero on Sunday morning with those wind chills less than 25, 30 below. But then we warm up next week after potential accumulating snow Monday. We're in the 30s on Thursday, so just hunker down, get ready, and prepare for a long period of nasty weather.